In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change header font in Divi. We'll start by opening your site in the Divi Builder. This puts you in the visual editing environment where you can see changes as you make them. Once you're on the page you want to edit, your home page is a great place because it usually has prominent headings. Make sure the builder is active so you can access the controls on the screen. On the left-hand side, you'll see the main Divi panel. This is your hub for page level and global styling. Take a moment to hover around so you're familiar with the icons there. We're heading to the option called Variable Manager. This is where Divi stores design tokens that keep your sites look consistent. Click Variable Manager to open it. A pop-up will appear with a few categories. Choose fonts. This section centralizes typography controls, so you can set styles once and have them applied consistently across modules. Inside the fonts area, look for the item labeled heading. This controls the font family for your headers, like H1 through H6, which cover page titles, section headings, and more. Next to heading, click the font selector to open the library. You'll see a list of available typefaces. Scroll to explore or use the search to quickly find what you have in mind. As you consider options, think about readability, brand tone, and character support if you use special symbols or multiple languages. A bold, geometric sans serif can feel modern and assertive, while a classy serif can add elegance. Try a few so you can compare how they look in real context. As soon as you click a font, Divi shows a live preview right on the page. Look at your existing headings, the hero title, section headers, and any callouts, to see how the new font affects hierarchy and emphasis. Pay attention to letter shapes, spacing, and how the font scales. If a font looks cramped or too delicate, pick another until it feels just right. When the preview looks good, you're set. You can continue browsing to fine-tune your choice, or keep working in the builder with your new heading style in place. A quick tip as you move forward: keep contrast strong between your headings and body text, and choose a heading font that pairs well with your paragraph font so the page feels cohesive. If you build pages for mobile audiences, glance at smaller breakpoints to confirm the new font remains clear and legible. That's it. Your Divi header font is updated using the Variable Manager and the Fonts panel with instant preview to guide your decision.